Hey, make sure you buckle up and brace yourself for heart-pounding chases and plot twists that are more thrilling than the movies. If you want to feel like you're on a roller coaster without leaving your seat, then welcome to COPSCAM Police US. Now let's go. The stolen Dodge Durango sped away in a tense pursuit. The daring suspect rammed a police car, causing severe damage and reducing speed, pushing the situation to its peak.
Southbound middle health in pursuit. Now eastbound. One for update. 129, they hit my patrol car. I'm okay.
We got four black males running eastbound. Eastbound behind 21 to 8.
Five suspects scattered after a decisive pit maneuver by the police. 2 were arrested, along with a Glock 22 and dangerous ammunition found in the car. The remaining 3 are now being intensely pursued.
We're going to stand you up, all right? Get on one knee so we can stand you up.
What's the current location on?
Yeah, last I heard he was passing Orange. He stabbed someone at a pediatric office. Private test me up here, 51295.
Dispatch has been located.
The chase erupted as the wanted suspect sped at 120 miles per hour, weaving dangerously through traffic and even crossing barriers. Police moved decisively to block his path, determined not to let him escape.
We're trying to keep up with him. He's going pretty fast. Lane, outside lane now, continued past the bridge. He's still northbound on I-95. Bridge. He's still northbound on I-95. Believe he just tried to get sticks. He continued. He's on the outside lane now significantly. 158 northbound I-95.
I'm getting ahead.
Trying to cut into the median. He's going to get stuck. He's in the water. He made it. He might make it through, guys, if he can cut across. Back southbound.
Dispatch has been located.
The chase reached its peak as police deployed tactics to force the vehicle to stop. The suspect was subdued and now faces serious charges, including attempted murder, with bail set at $100,000.
I use 10 to review traffic. This information, he is armed.
Subject on the ground, prone down. Stand by. Stand by.
The white truck sped through the city at 95 miles per hour, weaving dangerously. Police stayed close, but the suspect kept recklessly endangering others on the road.
That's in the 149 speed rating. That's on shoulder queue. That's in 149 speed 80, that's on shoulder.
The chase turned intense as the suspect recklessly fled after 3 shootings. Police stayed in close and determined pursuit, refusing to let him spread further danger. The suspect fled the vehicle after a pit maneuver, firing shots at police in a desperate attempt to escape. He was eventually captured in the woods near the highway. What punishment do you think fits his actions?
Alright, 20's about a quarter mile away. I have eyes on him. Several vehicles between us.
Very signal 12. Westbound on 92. Turn lane.
The wanted suspect drove through heavy traffic, trying to evade police and surveillance helicopters. His reckless actions made the situation extremely dangerous.
.330 South Massachusetts, bailout, bailout, cars in the back.
Let's get perimeter and hold
looking for K9.
Just 14, there's a possibility he has blue hair.
Alright, guys, you need to be behind hard cover. Get behind hard cover. Let's plan on him going south, so let's get some more coverage to the south in case he breaks the perimeter.
Go up. Find a pocket.
The wanted fugitive abandoned the car and ran deep into the forest, trying to escape. However, the K9 unit quickly tracked his scent, closing in and forcing him to surrender under the tight police perimeter.
They said here?
He's coming out to the yard. He's walking past the car. Just to the west of the blue house. Hands are up, hands are up. Walking out to a single deputy. He's turning out. Hands are back up. Yeah, one's low and walks. One's low and walks. Got 2 deputies out with him. You guys just take your time. There's lots of people coming to you. Just take your time. Everyone's going to give you all the air. Central, they're taking one into custody.
It's a white Dodge pickup truck. It's got flashing lights on the roof in the back, tailgate in the back, and it's got a white Dashcam written on the back window.
The chase intensified as police, in coordination with a helicopter, pursued a wanted suspect driving a stolen pickup truck. He weaved dangerously at high speeds, desperately trying to escape.
Signal 4 spun out, done. Overpass.
Get with the sheriff! Get with him! On the ground! Put your hands behind your back. Relax. Who's got cuffs? Cuffs right here. Cuffs right here. Give us your hand. I got his hand. Got his hand. Come on. There you go. That truck clear? Clear the truck. You good? Get your eyes. All right. Good? All right. Let's check in real quick.
After the vehicle stopped, the sheriff pulled the suspect out. Inside the car, methamphetamine was discovered, leaving the 33-year-old suspect facing multiple charges, including theft, evasion, and possession of illegal substances.
Bring it on the back. Looks like his backpack.
There's a whole bunch of dope in the door, like either meth or some powder. I just don't have any gloves. You got any gloves, Brett?
The chase intensified as the wanted suspect sped recklessly, weaving through traffic. Despite multiple pit maneuvers and significant damage to the vehicle, he stubbornly continued to flee. Finally, a decisive Piet maneuver by the police caused the suspect to lose control, forcing him to stop and surrender. Will he realize that fleeing only made things worse? Police pursued a stolen Mercedes driven by a suspect wanted for assaulting an officer. At 110 miles per hour, he threw a white bag out the window and nearly caused a serious accident.
I believe that, oh, right there, just collided with a police cruiser. Let's see if this brings this to an end. He's on Monterey, and he may be running. He's running. Yeah, he's running here into the neighborhood. Units are approaching, and he's starting to give up. He's down on the ground just on the other side of the street. We will bring News Shopper 4 Alpha around to show you that. But again, a residential area in Burbank, just off of a street called Monterey Avenue, is where all this is coming to an end. Units getting into position to take him into custody. Burbank.
Finally, the suspect collided with a patrol car and abandoned the vehicle, fleeing on foot. After a brief chase, he was captured, ending his reckless escape with a series of serious charges.